Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error D0000207 in Marvel Tōkon's Fighting Souls game. Many users have reported that they were coming across this kind of error. Generally, this kind of error is not a problem of your graphics card or RAM. It's a software conflict. So generally, this happens due to anti-cheat or core isolation problem, or some conflicting gaming software, or even because of secure boot status. So here you will find some solutions to fix the problem. So the very first, what you have to do is to stop the wing ring 0x64 services. So what you have to do is, you have to first go to the search option, search for command prompt. After that, here you have to type sc stop wing ring 0x64. So I have already provided it in the description. Just copy and paste it over here. So you just have to paste it over here, and after that you have to press enter. So once you press it enter, it will stop the services. After that, launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is you have to review the memory integrity drivers. So for that, you have to go to the search option and you have to search for core isolation. Under memory integrity, you have to check for a review incompatible drivers option. So in the memory integrity option, you can see this option is enabled. So if you turn it off, so it will say memory integrity must be enabled to use this feature. So you have to enable it, and after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. So this will check for the driver compatibility. Wait for some time. Here you have to delete or uninstall the software attached to those conflicting drivers manually to allow the game to boot. And after that, check if the problem you are coming across is fixed or not. After doing this, you have to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts again, launch Steam, click on the play button of the game, and then check whether the game is opening or launching or not, and the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.